In this video, we will learn how to use ink replay in Microsoft Word document. So let's start. Open your Word document and go to the Draw tab. Here, look for the ink to replay. So here in the replay group, have a ink replay option. Okay. First, you have to draw here something. So I just select here from drawing tools one pen and draw here something. So I just draw here. Okay. Okay. Then I click on the ink replay. See, all drawing will replay in this video. Okay. So this is a way you can use ink replay in Microsoft Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.